Director, Dr. Shankar sir, who always motivate and encourage us to conduct like this program in the department in his absentia. It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome our Senior Vice President, Dr. Prakash S., for his support in his absentia. I would like to extend my warm welcome to our energetic principal, Dr. Yogesh GS, for his continuous encouragement and support. I call upon Dr. Sachin Sharma sir to give him a book. Thank you, sir. I feel privileged to welcome our resource person, Mr. Madan Gopal Mekala, for accepting our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. I request our principal, Dr. Yogesh GS, to give him a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my warm welcome to all the HODs and faculty members of EPCET for their presence. I am delighted to welcome all the student participants for this expert talk. I am sure that you will feel enriched with knowledge after completion of this session. Thank you. May I request now Dr. Chandrapa sir to give a brief.
Hello. Yeah, I have already spoken to you.
Good morning to all, respected dignitaries on the dais and my dear students and faculty members. It's my pleasure to introduce our chief guest of this invited talk to all of you. Madan Gopal Mekala, PhD, VLS and HNS. Sir has got his BTech degree in EEE, KSRM, and has got GATE All India rank 229 EEE, and the PG degree in VLSA design from DSG Tech by Mantur. Sir is pursuing his PhD degree in JDH in the area of VLSA HNS high level synthesis. Also got a teaching experience of 5 years as well as the 5 years in the industry experience. The positions else includes assistant professor as well as the associate professors in teaching level in the Aurora group of Hyderabad. Also worked as a senior application engineer, electronic warfare system engineer, etc. in Industry Tech Solutions Private Limited, Hyderabad. Currently, director and corporate trainer and placement consultant in VLS GMP Service Private Limited, Marathali, Bangalore. Also trained fresh students as well as the passed out students in the disciplines of ECE, ENC, EI, EEE, CSC fresh as well as the old students. And also tried for the MNC companies like Intel, Xilinx, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Ericsson, MediaTek, LMT, Samsung, Wipro, Cadence, etc. Sir, today we are very proud to with you with us, sir. It might be helps our students to place in a very good companies from your directions. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to call upon our principal, Dr. Yogesh GS, to address the gathering.
A very good morning, everyone. Respected dignitary on the dais, respected head of the departments of other departments, my faculty members and student friends. It's a privilege to speak on this occasion. As all of us know, EDA tool market is a very important thing when it comes to VLSA industry. It is expected around $25+ billion market by 2028. In fact, it has a tremendous growth from 2020. We all are aware that real estate industry is getting very much boomed. And in fact, we are proud that India is also getting an real estate fab in Gujarat state. When this initiation has happened, we thought, let us have an awareness on EDA tools related to real estate, which is the core for electronics and communication engineering. In this regard, we have conducted this technical talk. Kindly utilize this, dear students, and I wish you all the best. Thank you, everyone.
So now I'll call upon our resource person to take over this session.
Thank you. Okay. With respect to semiconductor industry, India is picking a lot. Maybe you might know or may not know, but in the December 2021, now we are in 2022. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji has approved, Indian cabinet has approved 76,000 crores for the next 4-5 years for the semiconductor business. Somehow the Western and other Middle East countries, they are not liking the products of China. And Indian government wants to compete with Chinese products. So I would like to stress on this point for the young engineers of ECEEE. A lot of startups would pop up in India, and they keep capture the global market. So when I talk about GDP of United States of America, they have projected for the year 2025 to have a stake of $5 trillion, and India is aiming to capture at least $1 trillion in the global market. So maybe I find different departments of HODs and experts and professors. So I would like to tell, it's a chip, something in a thumbnail. You can check your thumbnail. Maybe a chip of 10 mm into 10 mm, or even you find chips with 1 mm into 1 mm, where there are billions of transistors on it. You can just imagine 250 billion transistors on a single thumbnail chip. It's amazing, right? 250 into 10 power 9. It's a big number. And also the GDPs are $5 trillion. Trillion is 1,000 billion, and it is 10 power 12. So lots of transistors. They are on the chip, and they get connected in some fashion when somebody programs. Like example, on the mobile, when you touch a app, maybe camera or something app, when it comes out and works implies the billions of may not be billions for mobiles, at least millions, lakhs. They get connected in some fashion to meet the application. So it's all amazing. It's all about zeros and ones when I speak about digital design chips. And it's only zeros and ones. When a transistor is on, it gets short circuited and zero output. And when it is off, high voltage one, it's all about logic, zeros and ones. When I talk about analog design, continuous signal will be there, and the processing is very tough and very complex circuits are involved. But still, analog domain may be very less area, very niche field, but it has got its own significance and openings in it. But whereas digital design domain, it has got lots of openings in the industry. Having you do some good project design of inverter with the tools, and also I'll go through some differential amplifier where I'll be showing all the voltages, currents, and the waveforms on the tool, and I'll conclude with that. And I thank Dr. Yogesh GS sir and other coordinators. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.